Yan yung asawa ng Pilipina. Spanish. Ano pala siya? Spanish and Filipino. Kaya pala hindi nagsasalita siya ng pure na Tagalog kasi hindi niya kabisado. Ayan. So ayan dito guys, oh. Dito kami. Ayan yung sinasabi kong Pilipina rin na ano. Maganda dito, oh. For summer. This is the place of Gricos.
I don't want to rush the slide.
This is Madam Tess. Hi, Ma'am Tess. Ayan. You can advertise your own apartment?
Dapat sa place ko.
Ay, oo. Anyway, next time. But you can say also if you want. And this is also Madam Sandy. She's also Filipina, half mestiza. Taga from Cavite ang lolo. Ayan. Pero hindi siya masyadong mapagsalita ng Tagalog na kagaya like us. Ganon.
Kagaya ng tunay na.
Yan. Because half-half siya. Spanish. So, half-half.
We used to when we were young, up to the age of 9. And then when we were going to school, my brothers and my sisters, we were like always honor student, except for Filipino. Filipino was always just fast. So my father said, okay, no more Spanish, now you speak
Tagalog. So, kasi half-half ano siya, half Filipino, half Spanish.
So you have advantage when you go on college because we have 2 years. I was
Dito ang bahay nila guys. Dito ang sinasabi ko na ano, pupuntahan ko, makipag-date. Ayan. Kaya napakaganda dito. Dito sa baba mga bahay-bahay ang mga yan guys. Ala Santorini style. Hindi ko lang alam. Ayan. Talagang stone na stone ang bahay dito.
maybe it's just one time she goes down and she doesn't have to go up and down, up and down.